You guys, I'm gonna see what I can get for these two. I guess I'll just wait here and see if someone comes. Oh my gosh, that girl has amazing fidgets. I'm gonna see if I can trade. Hi, can I please offer for those? Yeah, sure. Thanks. So I'll give you this really good octagon poppet. Well, this is an amazing poppet and an amazing mini poppet, so you have to add. Okay, I really want that, so I'll give you this unicorn poppet and this hand poppet. But can you add one more thing? Sure. I'll give you this triple dimple. Accept. My girl only has one fidget. Maybe I could give her some. Hi, would you like some free fidgets? That would be awesome. Here, you can have these three poppets, this marble mesh, this squishy, this snake, this pop tube, this textured monkey noodle, this fidget spinner dimple, and this Neato. Really? Thank you so much. You're welcome. This is my only fidget. It's really good, but I've had it for a long time. Let's see if I can get a really good trade for it. OMG, that girl has a pink Neato. That's my dream fidget. Let's go see if she'll trade. Hi, can I offer for that? It's my dream fidget. Sure. Thank you so much. I'll give you this fidget spinner dimple, this mini poppet, this mini octopus, this ice cream poppet, this pineapple poppet, and this jumbo poppet. I'll accept. Yes, I got all of these. This is so good. I bet I could pop all these before you like, subscribe, and share. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won? Din din. Din din. Din din. Din din. Din din. Oh, I wanted a dimple digit. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a pink fidget pack. We have this pink squishy, this pink wobble, 2 pink monkey noodles, this pink textured monkey noodle, a pink mini poppet, a pink unicorn poppet, and a pink Neato. That's the pink fidget pack. This or this? That. This or this? That. That or this? This. That or this? This. That one or this one? This one. This is my only fidget, but I heard that there's a new trading hub, so maybe I'll go there. Alright, we're here. Let's see if anyone comes up to me to try to trade. That girl has a jumbo poppet. That is so rare here. That girl has a jumbo poppet. That is so rare here. Hi, can I offer for that jumbo poppet? Of course. Poppets are really rare in this trading hub, and jumbo poppets are even more rare. That's weird. From the trading hub I'm from, everyone has jumbo poppets and poppets. That's so cool. Anyways, that's super rare here. So I'll give you this squishmallow, this squishmallow, and this squishmallow. OMG, they're so cute. That's a deal. These two are my only fidgets. They're kind of hard to squeeze, but I bet I could get something really good from both of them. That girl has a cute tiger squishy. I bet I could get it for my cake. Hi, can I please offer for that tiger squishy? Sure. Thanks. So I'll give you this really good cake squishy. Let's see. Ugh, mine is so much softer. You'll have to add. Okay, I'll add this really cute squishy. I'll accept. Your fidget if you like. Your fidgets if you share to 5 friends. Your fidgets if you subscribe. And your fidgets if you do all.